Hello, welcome to TV9 News. I'm Jyoti Jha, and today we have a very special guest with us, actor and comedian Veer Das. So, welcome to our show, Veer.
Thank you for having me, Jyoti. Good to see you.
Yeah. So, before we start, Veer, let me tell our audience that we are going to talk about your special show Outside In, which is streaming
Yes.
from today. And I was recently watching it, like I was watching it right now. And as soon
hmm
as it started, the what caught my attention was your expression. You're like, another lockdown day, man. Kya chal raha hai
Ah,
types. And then you're like, let's begin with the mantra, go Corona, go. So it was really very interesting to see. But I really
yeah.
want to know how the journey started. Like 30 shows, now it's a Netflix special. How it started. Let's start from the fundraising event.
We were doing 30 shows online to raise money for different charities. This is a very basic thing. We would do a Zoom call. I'd perform for 1 hour every night, and we'd sell 150, 200 tickets. And the ticket sales from that night, we would give away to a different charity. So out of these 30 shows, we picked 27 charities and gave away that money to all 30 shows ka money. But every night, just to warm up the audience, I'd ask them this one question: Ki, what's the first thing you want to do when the lockdown is over or when the world is normal again? And suddenly I started getting these very interesting answers from all across the world. And because it was Zoom, people started coming in from all across the world. So suddenly, in the same audience, you have someone from Thane and someone from Wuhan and someone from Poland and someone from Costa Rica. So then I said, yeah, this is a moment in time that needs to be captured and that needs to be filmed. So that's what led to it becoming a special. But I still wanted to raise money with the special. So in August, we put it up on my website for 8 days, and people could pay money to watch the special. And I think we raised a significant amount of money, for four different charities in August. We raised about 37 lakhs in 8 days for four different charities. And then when it was done, then we gave it to Netflix.
So was it like an everyday show? Every day you used to sit for 1 hour, or was it alternative or weekly basis?
I think it was Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday over the course of 6, 7 weeks, kind of a thing.
Okay. So I am really excited to know, Veer, how was it like first show versus the last show? The first day that you started and the last day that it ended. People joining from all across the world. How was it?
Some buzz had been caught by the end of it. So by the last show, there were, 600, 700 people that were coming in for every show.
Mhm.
I was very tired because, it's very tough because there's no script in this show. Whatever the audience says, you're suddenly going with that. So, 37 shows was very long. I was very, very tired by the end of it. And then I knew I had to edit this as well. So,
Okay. So how exactly did this become a Netflix special today? Like they approached you, or what was the process here?
I mean, I'm a Netflix artist. I have, three Netflix specials and a series on Netflix. So they were the first people to take a look at it. They wanted it in August, and we decided together that it would be important to raise money. So Netflix supported the fundraise also, and me putting it on my website. And then I think in September, once it was done on my website, they were like, we'll definitely pick it up. So, but, Touchwood, I've had a very productive and positive working experience with Netflix.
So, share some moments that actually kept you inspired throughout. Like 30 shows are not easy, especially during the lockdown. And like you said, it was not scripted, and you were supposed
Yeah.
to do it at the moment. If someone tells you something, you have to bring something funny out of that. So, what inspired you? ऐसे कुछ moments जो आप share कर सकते हैं कि हाँ ये मैंने सुना तो I felt like this. So that kept you inspired.
Every type of story, there's 55 stories in this show. So there are husbands and wives who are fighting too much and they're together. There are couples who are engaged in separate cities and not seen each other in 2 months. Someone wants ice cream, someone wants pan, someone wants drugs, someone wants sex, someone wants whatever. There's every type of story in this. So that's what I like about this show is, I'm not the star of this show. My audience is the star of this show.
True, true. So, when are your, when are we going to see you next? Like, what is your upcoming projects,
अभी
if
तो
you
बहुत
can?
हो गया यार. I've had 4 releases this year. That's quite a bit for a pandemic. I'll shoot a movie this year, a romantic comedy. I'll definitely shoot a series this year as well, and I'll get back to doing some stand-up. Yeah. So I think, I had 4 releases in 2020, and I'll shoot a lot in 2021. So by the end of the year, you'll start seeing releases from.
Okay. Last question. So, how was the lockdown for you? Like, still, it's lockdown के time में you were supposed to stay home. Now, even though there is no lockdown, how is this particular situation treating you? How are you feeling? Lockdown versus
I've
now?
been very fortunate. And I'm very grateful for being very fortunate. I think privileged people are not as affected by this lockdown. So I've been able to spend some time at home, spend some time with my wife and my dog. After traveling for 10 years, it's been nice to have my feet on the ground for a bit. So I've been very fortunate in the lockdown.
Okay, Vedant, thank you so much for
Thank you
joining
so
us.
much.
It was really
Cheers.
nice talking to you. I hope ये show और भी ज़्यादा success दे आपको, because it already seems very interesting and I'm sure people will love it. So
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Cheers. Bye.